Nice. So we got my new tires over there, and I'm about to pull all the sensors out of these tires. I don't have the lift on yet, so I can't put those rims and tires on yet. So I just need to pull the sensors out of these. I actually have two valve sims, one right here and one right here, and I found out the sensor is on the inner one. So I'm going to pull that out real quick and then put it back on the truck. A while ago I bought the rims, and I actually bought the tires recently, but I haven't put the tires on yet. So tomorrow I'm planning on going to work really early and doing everything. Basically, I gotta pull out the sensors out of my front two tires, and then basically I'll be able to put the sensors in these new rims and put the tires on. So let's get these loaded up. So I'm only taking 4 tires because I only have 4 rims right now. I have to buy a 5th rim so I can do the 5th one. So I got 4 tires and 4 rims in here, so I'm gonna get all these done, and hopefully I'll be able to lift the truck within the next month, and then I can actually put these things on, because I am looking forward to that. And I'm probably gonna have to touch up the paint because these are a little scratched up, but you know, I paid $100 for all 4, 25 bucks a wheel. I really can't complain that much. The only thing that stinks is I'm gonna have to buy the 5th rim full price, which is like $320, or at least if I paid retail price. You know, it is what it is, but I'm just going to be happy I got a set of wheels for, you know, less than the price of 2 if you were to go buy them new. So, anyway, I'm going to do all this in the AM, so see y'all then. It's like 4:30, and I got to work. I got 4 tires, 4 rims. I'm probably going to turn this thing around after I unload, get the front 2 tires, break the beads, and pull the sensors out real quick, and then put all new stems in and the sensors in, so then I can put the tires on the rims. So anyway, let's get to it. Looks like the bottom is seated, so I propped it up on this axle so I can push the rim down. All right, so I put a metal head back on here, so hopefully that'll help the issues I've been having. Time to balance them. No weights. The tires are done. Now I just gotta wait to get my lift, install it, then I can put the rims and tires on. You wanna come look at my new tires?
No.
I know, right?
Oh, huge. Oh my gosh.
Isn't the proportion really nice? A lot of sidewall.
crazy.
I love that rim size. I can't believe I stuck with 20s.
Cool. Looks good.
Thanks. So since I got these 37s, there's no way that I can even make this original spare work because it's just so small compared to the 37s. So I'm gonna pull it out so I can shave some weight. There's no need to have the spare underneath the truck anymore. Interesting. Not sure what's supposed to fit in there then. So unfortunately, you're supposed to have a spare tire lock key. It's apparently in your glove compartment from the factory, and mine's not in there. So I'm gonna ask my father-in-law if he's got his in his 2015, and hopefully I can get the spare tire out so we can shave that weight. There's the stack of rims and tires. All I gotta do is order the last 17-inch wheel, which is around 300 bucks, and I paid 100 bucks for all those rims. So I'm gonna be in around $400 for the rims. So 100 bucks a piece. That's not too bad. Or actually, no, that's math's not right. Anyway, it's gonna be under 100 bucks a piece, which is gonna be not too bad of a price, even though I was hoping I could get it for a lot less. But I'm gonna be in probably around $2,100 for everything, which is really not a bad price when you're talking about 5 rims, 5 tires, and 37-inch size too. I mean, it's pretty great. The lift is gonna be a fortune. If I decided to go with the 4-link suspension, that 6-inch kit is around $4 grand. So just depends on whether they're willing to sponsor me or even do like a 50% sponsorship. So if I could get that lift kit for 50% off, that would be amazing. If I can't, I'm probably just gonna go with the 4-inch radius arm lift, which is around, I think, maybe 1,900, or it's like, I think it's 2,100, and I get it for like 18 or something like that. I mean, it's still a lot of money, don't get me wrong, but I can't afford to spend $4 grand on a lift kit. I can spend, 17, 18, 1,900. I can justify that. That's actually with Fox shocks too. I was gonna get Bilstein reservoirs, so I was gonna get a cheaper kit and then get the Bilstein reservoirs, but I think that I'm just gonna get a full BDS with Fox shocks because I don't think those Bilsteins are any better. I just think they're better with heat dissipation because obviously they got reservoirs. They're not adjustable or anything, and they're like $800 or $900. So I could just spend that money on a upgraded BDS kit with Fox shocks. Now, I wouldn't have the reservoirs on them, but I think the performance would still be great for a lot of miles with those, I think the 2.0s Fox. So it is what it is. I'd much rather get a nicer kit and get everything from BDS and not have to worry about splitting up a kit. But anyway, that's gonna be it. Next time you see these rims and tires, they'll be on the truck.